Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to contact support in Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to contact support in Temu, first open up a Temu app on your phone. And after opening a Temu app, guys, on the interface at the bottom of the screen you can see bunch of icons available for us, and on the bottom middle section there is a U button available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and when you land over here, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, guys, you can see there's a settings button, and just beside it there is the support button. Now in order to contact the support in Temu, tap on the support button at the top right corner of the screen. And over here, guys, you can see currently there are the help articles available for us. Before you can contact the support of Temu, do make sure that either your problem is connected with the topics of the articles over here, from recommended topics to policies and others. But if you can't still solve your problem even by reading all of these articles above, you can see the contact us button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on contact us button, and then you will be connected to Temu's virtual assistant like this, and you can chat with her. But if the chat gets complex, a manager will be assigned to you to chat with the customer service of Temu. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to contact support in Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.